Hello everyone, I am Arav Patel and in this session I am going to cover some basic concepts about programming. So, starting with what are softwares, what are types of softwares, what is programming language, and also we will discuss about the difference between C and Java. So, instead of this, we will also know some programming concepts about C, like different types of data types, loops, and also arrays. At the end of the session, we will create a candy game using C in Turbo C. Now let's start learning using a PowerPoint presentation.
Now let's start with the difference between C and Java. C, it considers as a procedural-oriented programming language. Core Java, Java is considered as object-oriented programming language. C is compiled using a compiler while Java is compiler and interpreted. C is machine-dependent language and C++ is also a machine-dependent language while Core Java is an independent language. After compiling C, it will generate .obj file, .exe file, .backup file. After compiling Java, it will generate .class file which can easily run on any machine having a JVM. So now study types of software. First is system software, then comes application software, then comes web-based software, mobile software, and AR, VR, and MR software. First, we will study system software. This is essential for running computer hardware and providing a platform for application software. System software includes all operating systems, translators, and also includes the programming languages. Desktop software. Desktop software is installed on computers and laptops and does not depend on the internet to function. These applications help user to perform various tasks. Its benefit is that it works without any internet. Utility software. Utility software focuses on system performance, security, and optimization. There are two types of utility softwares. First is CAD, that is computer aided design, and second is CAM, that is computer aided manufacturing. CAD and CAM. These are specialized software applications used in engineering, design, and manufacturing industries. CAD software is used by engineers, architects, and designers to create precise 2D and 3D models of objects, buildings, and machines. CAM software automates and optimizes manufacturing processes, converting CAD designs into machine instructions. Now comes web-based softwares. Web-based software run in a web browser and it requires an internet connection. These applications does not need installation. Its benefit is that it does not need installation and its work on mostly all devices. For example, Prime Video, Google, and there are Microsoft Edge and etc. Then comes mobile software. Mobile applications are designed for smartphones and tablets available via Google Play Store and Apple App Store. AR, VR, and MR software. Augmented reality enhances real-world environments with digital objects. Virtual reality creates a completely immersive digital environment. Mixed reality blends real and virtual world for interactive experiences. Now comes entry and exit control loops. Now we are continuing ahead with loops. Entry control loops. In an entry control loop like for and while loops, the condition is evaluated before entering the loop body. If condition is false, initially the loop will not execute at all. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर वो कोई कंडीशन उसे फॉल्स लगती है तो वो पहले ही उसे इनिशियली स्टॉप कर देगा, उसे आगे एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होने देगा. Now comes exit control loop. In an exit control loop, like do while loop, the condition is evaluated after the loop body executes. This ensures the loop runs at least once regardless of condition. ये कह रहा है कि do while loop में ये होता है कि वो कंडीशन चेक किए बिना पहले एक बार तो रन कर ही लेता है, फिर कंडीशन चेक करता है कि बाद में रन हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. अब हम समझेंगे loops. What is loops? A loop is control structure in programming that allows set of instruction to be executed repeatedly, either a fixed number of times or until a certain condition is met. ये कह रहा है कि लूप हमें हमारा काम इजी कर देता है कि हमें कोई चीज मान लो 100 बार प्रिंट करनी है, तो क्या हम उसे प्रिंट एफ करके 100 बार थोड़ी ना प्रिंट कर सकते हैं, तो उसके जगह हम लूप लगा देंगे तो वो चीज को लूप इजीली 100 बार प्रिंट कर देगा. Loop help avoid redundant code and improve program efficiency by enabling repetition. Types of loops. There are three main types of loop. For loop, best for when number of iteration is known ahead of time. While loop executes while a condition is true and is used when the number of iteration is not known in advance. Do while loop similarly to the while loop but guarantees that the loop body at least runs once and as the condition is checked after the loop body executes. मतलब जो हमने पहला समझा था कि एग्जिट कंट्रोल लूप जो होता है वो डू वाइल लूप होता है, और फॉर लूप और वाइल लूप एंट्री कंट्रोल लूप होते हैं. तो डू वाइल में वही बता रहा है कि उसके एक बार तो वो रन होता ही है, बाद में वो कंडीशन चेक करता है. व्हाट इज एन एरे? An array is a collection of elements all of the same data type stored in contiguous memory location. इसका बेनिफिट ये होता है कि ये हमें हेल्प करता है एक ही जगह पे सेम डेटा टाइप वाले चीजों को रखने में. जैसे इसकी साइज पहले से ही डिफाइंड होती है. एरे जैसे इसमें बोल रहा है, arrays allow you to store multiple values under a single variable name, which helps to manage large amounts of data more easily. The size of an array is fixed once it is declared, and elements are accessed using their index. Now we will learn candy game. इसके पहले कुछ एथिक्स होते हैं जो हमें फॉलो करने चाहिए. जो होता है पहला, अपना ऑथर नेम लिखना, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन देना. मतलब तो पहले ऑथर नेम लिखेंगे, फिर उसके नीचे मल्टी लाइन कमेंट में डेट जब ये डॉक्यूमेंट बना रहे वो लिखेंगे, और टॉपिक लिखेंगे प्रोग्राम का. और जहां पे जरूरत है वहां पे शॉर्ट कमेंट्स ऐड करेंगे कि एक्सप्लेन, हम लॉजिक को एक्सप्लेन कर सके ताकि कोई और प्रोग्रामर हो तो वो इजीली समझ सके. यूज शॉर्ट कमेंट्स व्हेनेवर नीडेड टू एक्सप्लेन लॉजिक एंड ऑफ स्पेसिफिक फंक्शंस एक्सेट्रा सो दैट it can be easily understood by other programmer. Keep your code formatted with indentions and correct spacing to increase readability. इसका मतलब ये कह रहा है कि हमें उसे एकदम फॉर्मेटेड रहना चाहिए कि अगर हम ऐसे आड़ा टेढ़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. फॉर्म में ब्रैकेट के टैब देके ही फिर हमें आगे जो लॉजिक लिखना है वो लिखेंगे, तो वैसे फॉर्मेटेड होना चाहिए. अब हम कैंडी गेम्स के बारे में कुछ सीखेंगे. Simple console-based game where a player can move a box to catch falling candies. The goal is to score certain points before losing all lives. गेम का सिस्टम अभी हम देखेंगे. तो सिस्टम ये है कि अगर हमें लेफ्ट मूव करना है तो हमें A प्रेस करना है, और अगर हमें राइट मूव करना है तो हमें D प्रेस करना है. कैंडी फॉल्स every 200 milliseconds. इसे हम या फिर ज्यादा भी कर सकते हैं, इसे कम भी कर सकते हैं, वो यूजर पे है. तो ये जो 200 मिलीसेकंड्स है, तो अगर हम इसे एकदम 1 मिलीसेकंड पे ला देंगे ना बाय डिफॉल्ट जो होता है, तो उसमें ऐसे फटाफट गिरने लगेगी, तो हम उसे कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाएंगे. Scoring system with the candy is called the scoring crease. Live system If the candy is missed, lives decreases. Functions used in candy game. Go to XY. Move cursor in the console. It moves according to the coordinates given by the developer. Go to XY bracket x comma y is the syntax for go to XY. KB hit, that means keyboard hit. It detects the key press. Get ch, reads what character is pressed and stores in a variable if needed. Also used to fetch the console screen. It is compulsorily used after the end of main function, but you can use it according to your necessities. Clear screen, it will clear the whole console screen. Text color and text background, used for color background and stylings respectively. Delay, add times delay. Sound, give sound effects according to hertz given by the developer. No sound, stop sound after a delay. If not used, the sound will buzz until the program is closed. So अभी के लिए हम इतना ही करते हैं, फिर हम देखेंगे आगे कि क्या क्या है कोड कैंडी गेम का.